everyone, welcome back to the 1 minute journaling series. If you don't know, this is a series where we are journaling for 1 minute on one prompt together, and after 1 minute, we see how it is benefiting our mental health. If you want to check out all the other videos in the series, please click on this link for the playlist itself. Now, the prompt for today is what stressed you the most today? And obviously, first thing is describe what stressed you. Try to reflect on why it stressed you. Then try to reflect on the solution as well. Get done with the 1 minute and then we'll meet after that. Your time starts now. Okay, so the 1 minute is already over. And one thing that I realized while writing this was that it was not a big deal at all. But still, I'll not invalidate what you are feeling. So if you feel that something is stressing you out, first thing is if it is under your control, you definitely have a solution to it. Try to reflect on the solution. And if it's something that's not in your control, then all you have to do is accept and know that it's completely fine if that has happened, right? So we'll meet again for another 1 minute of journaling, and I hope this one helped. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.